Harry fired a fork is another inspirational recipe. It is beer snacks, not boring beer snacks, just little stupid dips with a little stupid chip. This is proper beer snacks. So, cheese. I gotta fix that fridge. Cheese. What's this? Double brie. Okay, so according to Harry, what we want to do is hopefully this is not split. Or broken, it's not. Maybe it's that in the pan. And we'll get our prosciutto. Cut this up into little chunky bits. Put it around it, and then we're going to put it over here over the fire for about 10 minutes, and it's going to turn into gooey goodness. I've not had this before. I've got a little bit of quince paste to put in with it too, and some of those fancy crackers you get from the supermarkets. Let's make it all nice and thin and gorgeousness, and when we put it on the fire, it's just all gonna, oh, it's gonna come together in this gooey, crunchy, pasty sort of stuff. So we might just, we'll come back when we've got all this in the pan. All right, so last couple of bits into the pan, and we're off to the fire. Not too hot, so it's maybe up this way. Cool. So we're going to leave that there for about 10 minutes. And we'll flip it, cook the other side, see how it tastes. Just come closer. Come here. Come here. I'm going to show you this. I think it's been about 10 minutes, so I'm just going to flip it over. Oh, yeah. See, look at that. It's starting to get nice. So we'll leave it about another maybe 6 or 7 minutes, and then we'll try it. So it's been another 6 or 8 minutes or 10 minutes, and that looks just about perfect. So we'll grab this. Probably should have used the handle. Anyway, we'll go back over here and see what it looks like. Right, so let's just cut this little bad boy up. Is it gooey? Oh, it's gooey. Is it gooey enough? Oh, we might just give that another couple of minutes. No, we're not using map gas. We're just going to give it another couple of minutes.
You go on it.
Right, we're done. It's time to eat it. Oh!
Yep, that's all of it.
Well, we've got it all in now, so we might as well eat it all up. I'm hoping the heat of the pan will melt it a bit.
What is it?
It's just like figs, sort of. It's a fruit.
Fruit and cheese, though.
So you're getting healthy while you're eating cheese. Don't say I don't look after you. So it turns out lower heat is better, and don't let it go too long. That's just my advice. So let's give it a go and see what it tastes like. So we've got some apricot and macadamia crackers here. Let's have a go and see. I'll put these over here. Alright, let's get a bit of this. Bit of that. Oh, that's a bit much. That's alright. Love it. Come on, boys, hook in. We'll get into it.